Do your muscles ever feel weaker when you wake up? Maybe climbing the stairs feels heavier than it used to, or getting out of bed takes a little more effort each morning. You tell yourself, it's just part of getting older. Slight uplift. But what if it's not? What if your body is quietly losing muscle while you sleep? And there's something simple you can do to stop it. In fact, what if tonight, while you rest, your body could reverse muscle loss naturally? Not by spending hours in the gym, not by taking expensive supplements, but by adding 2 simple nutrients before bed. Nutrients your body is craving as you age. These 2 nutrients are helping people over 60 wake up feeling stronger, more energetic, and more alive, without any extreme changes. And the best part? Uplift. They work while you sleep. Stay with me till the end of this video, because by the time you finish, you'll know what these nutrients are, why they're so powerful, and how to start using them tonight to help your body rebuild and repair from the inside out. Here's a truth most people don't know. After age 40, your body naturally begins to lose muscle, around ½ a pound per year. By age 60, that adds up to a lot. It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It's one of the main reasons older adults feel weaker, slower, and less stable as the years go on. Surprised uplift. But here's the surprising part. Most of that muscle loss doesn't happen during the day. It happens at night. When you're sleeping, your body enters repair mode. This is when your muscles rebuild tiny tears from daily movement and regain strength. But if your body doesn't have the right building blocks at that moment, the repair process fails. Instead of building muscle, your body actually starts breaking it down to use for energy. That's why you might wake up feeling sore, stiff, or weaker, even though you didn't do anything strenuous. It's not that your body can't recover anymore. It's that it doesn't have what it needs to do the job. The good news? Uplift. Once you give it the right fuel, it begins to rebuild again, even while you sleep. Let me tell you a story about a man named Mark. Mark is 62, a retired firefighter, husband, and grandfather, always active, always on the go. But one day he realized he was getting weaker. Walking upstairs left him winded. His arms didn't have the strength they used to. He tried everything. Eating more during the day, lifting light weights, walking daily, but nothing brought his energy back. Then one night, while watching a health segment on TV, something caught his attention. A doctor said, "Your body does most of its muscle repair between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. But if you go to bed undernourished, your body can't rebuild." That one line stuck with him. He realized his last meal was around 7 p.m., hours before bed. His body was running out of nutrients just when it needed them most. So he made a small change. Before bed, Mark began having a simple shake, a cup of milk mixed with 2 specific nutrients known to support overnight recovery. Within 3 weeks, he noticed something incredible. Uplift. He was waking up refreshed, his legs felt lighter, and even his daytime energy improved. His doctor told him his muscle tone had noticeably improved, without changing his workouts. What Mark discovered is something science has now proven. Giving your body these 2 nutrients before bed can dramatically improve how it rebuilds muscle while you sleep. The first nutrient is casein protein, nature's slow-release muscle builder. You've probably heard of whey protein, the kind athletes drink after workouts. Whey works fast, flooding your muscles with amino acids quickly, but it burns up quickly too. That's great after exercise, but not at bedtime, because while you sleep, your body needs a steady supply of amino acids all night long, not a short burst. That's where casein comes in. Casein digests slowly, over 6 to 8 hours, releasing a steady stream of amino acids throughout the night. Uplift. Think of it as a time-release form of nutrition. It keeps your muscles fed, fueled, and rebuilding, even while you dream. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults who consumed casein before bed had 22% higher muscle protein synthesis while they slept compared to those who didn't. That's the power of steady nourishment. So, where do you get it? Practical tone. You don't need fancy supplements. Casein is naturally found in milk, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese. That's why old-school athletes often ate a small bowl of cottage cheese before bed. They didn't know the science, but they knew it worked. So nutrient number 1, bold casein protein, your body's slow-burning fuel for overnight muscle repair. Now the second nutrient, the unsung hero of recovery, magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals in the body. It's involved in over 300 processes, but it's especially vital for your muscles and sleep. Every time you move a muscle, whether you walk, stretch, or even breathe, magnesium helps those fibers contract. When you're done moving, magnesium helps them relax again. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can't fully relax. That's why low magnesium often causes nighttime cramps or twitching legs. But there's more. Uplift. Magnesium helps regulate your growth hormone and testosterone, two key hormones that decline with age and are essential for muscle maintenance. So magnesium doesn't just help you sleep, it helps you recover deeply while you sleep. A 2012 study found that older adults who took magnesium supplements slept longer, had higher growth hormone levels, and improved muscle strength without changing their workouts. Confident. That's the hidden power of magnesium. Good sources include pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, and dark chocolate. But as we age, our body absorbs less magnesium from food. That's why many experts recommend magnesium glycinate before bed. Practical. It's gentle, calming, and highly absorbable. So together, casein protein and magnesium form the perfect nighttime repair duo. Casein feeds your muscles. Magnesium activates the recovery. Here's how to use these nutrients before bed, starting tonight. About 30 minutes before sleep, mix 1 cup of milk or unsweetened almond milk, 1-2 tablespoons of casein protein powder, or 1-2 cup of cottage cheese, a handful of magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds or dark chocolate, or take 1 capsule of magnesium glycinate with your shake. That's it. Uplift. No extreme diets, no complicated supplements, just a simple, consistent bedtime habit. Here's what happens next. The casein releases amino acids slowly to rebuild your muscles. The magnesium helps you relax, fall asleep faster, and boosts recovery hormones. The result? Enthusiastic. You wake up feeling lighter, stronger, and more energized, as if your body did a mini workout overnight. Do this for 2-3 weeks and you'll notice less stiffness in the morning, better sleep quality, more muscle tone, calmer, refreshed energy during the day. When your body finally gets the nutrients it's been missing, it knows exactly what to do. Why focus on bedtime nutrition? Because your body operates on a rhythm, your circadian clock. During the day, your energy goes outward, thinking, moving, digesting. But at night, your energy turns inward, to repair and rebuild. This is when your muscles absorb nutrients best, inflammation drops, and growth hormone peaks. If your body doesn't have the right nutrients available during this window, repair can't happen. It's like trying to build a house with no bricks or tools. The workers show up, but they can't build anything. Casein provides the bricks. Magnesium provides the tools. Together, they create the perfect environment for your body to heal itself. Research shows consistent nighttime recovery can even slow biological aging, because maintaining muscle mass is one of the strongest predictors of longevity. Every night you give your body these nutrients, you're not just building strength, you're adding years of vitality to your life. Muscle isn't just about strength, it's about life. Healthy muscle supports your metabolism, balance, independence, and even your immune system. That's why doctors call muscle the currency of youth. Lose muscle, and everything else, energy, hormones, clarity, starts to decline. Rebuild muscle and your entire body begins to feel younger again. Casein keeps your muscles nourished all night. Magnesium activates deep recovery. Together, they're like pressing restore on your body every night. Before you start, avoid these common mistakes. Eating a heavy dinner before bed. Too much food slows digestion and hurts sleep. Keep it light and focused on these nutrients. Using the wrong magnesium. Avoid magnesium oxide. It's poorly absorbed and can upset your stomach. Go for magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate instead. Expecting overnight miracles. This isn't a quick fix. It's a rebuilding process. Think of it like watering a dry plant. The change starts inside, and over time, it shows on the outside. A woman named Linda, age 58, shared her story after trying this for a few weeks. She said, "For the first time in years, I woke up without that aching stiffness in my knees. My back didn't feel tight. I had the energy to go for a morning walk, something I'd been avoiding for months." She didn't change her diet drastically. She just gave her body what it was missing, nourishment before sleep. Reassuring. That's the beauty of this method. It's not about doing more, it's about doing right. Let's recap. If you're over 60 and want to wake up feeling stronger, more mobile, and more alive, focus on nighttime nutrition, casein protein, the slow, steady muscle builder, magnesium, the recovery mineral that relaxes and repairs. Together they help you sleep deeper, recover faster, prevent muscle loss, support long-term vitality. You don't need a gym membership or expensive supplements, just a smart, simple bedtime routine. Because sometimes, the secret to rebuilding your body isn't doing more during the day. It's doing better at night. As you lie down tonight, remember this: your body is still capable of incredible things. It hasn't given up. It's just waiting for the right signal to start healing again. Every night, your body gets a chance to renew itself. All you need to do is give it what it needs: a little nourishment, a little rest, and a little time. Because strength doesn't come from the gym alone, it starts while you sleep. So tonight, take that small step. Feed your body what it's been missing. And when morning comes, wake up ready to feel alive again. Uplift. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Over 60 Vital Health, where every week we uncover simple, science-backed ways to stay strong, active, and youthful at any age. Because no matter your age, it's never too late to rebuild your strength even while you sleep.